Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app, and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. So now we should tap to open the app, click yes I agree, tap to close, to OK, and we'll see here information about battery temperature. In my case that's 36 and 9 degrees. So also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.